Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you, man. Another day in the market. Had a bullish day. Look like it's coming down, being bearish. Let's see if things can ride back up. Anyway, it's Friday. Monday and Friday are the most vulnerable days in the market. A lot of people don't like leaving their money over in some stocks, especially doing options and stuff on weekends. So, that's common, but it's not bullish, it's not bad, but we're gonna take what the market give us. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, we're gonna ride this stock on up. Like I said, it's a green day. Still some buys out there. Y'all know I always got a watch list. There's always a bear market somewhere. Even though the market is green, there's always a stock that is bearish somewhere. You just gotta find it. Doesn't mean it's a long-term thing. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe a trade for you to get in and out of. Maybe a monthly, a couple month swing trade. Get in, accumulate. Collect some dividends. So they pay out quarterly and take profit or sell a whole position whenever it goes up to your desired price. But let's go ahead and get it in, man. All right. I'm gonna go with Wendy's. Tick your WEN. Like I said, there's always a bear market somewhere. I give y'all the answers to the test. I got a killer watch list with over 100 stocks. So it's something always bearish on my list. All right, y'all know this pay out quarterly, 25 cents a share a month. Definitely gonna go get some of this. We're gonna buy in shares. Gonna get $6 worth for Wendy's. Usually I do 3 and 5, but I'm gonna put a little more in. We're gonna go KHC, Kraft Heinz. This definitely got a problem getting over like the $30 range. 6.6% dividend yield. Definitely trying to lower your average cost on this. I like this at 29 and under. So right now I'm at 32.25 with 23.8 shares. Gonna go WU, Western Union. At $9.79, it's got about a 9.5% dividend yield at these prices. Definitely taking advantage at the $10 and under. These are major dividend plays, not double yielders, but the bigger the yield, the more risk you take. A lot of people get mad when stocks do dividend cuts, but I'm like, dude, how long you think a 17% dividend yield, how long you think it's going to be sustainable? Just being honest. They cut it from 17 to 15, still got 15% yield, which is outperforming the S&P 500 if I was on the dividend yield level. So, the average person chasing yields between 3 and 7. Some people don't go above 8 because they consider it's too risky. So you already know the risk involved. Arbor Realty cut their dividend, but they're planning on hiking it back. I'm gonna stay with this one. This is one of my favorite quarterly REITs. It was 43 cents a share. I think they cut it to 34 cents due to the times we in, but they say they had plans on hiking it back. One thing about a dividend, once they cut it, they can always hike it back. As soon as they announce a dividend hike, the stock gonna run up. So anyway, still in the double digits of yielders. $5 worth for that. AGNC. It's 12 cents a share a month. Got to like this at 9. I like buying this at 9.20 and under. So monthly paying REIT. Gonna go USOY Yield Max ETF. Doing options on oil. I just get $3 a day of this. The most I get is 5. I just dollar cost averaging to it. I never load up on no Yield Max except for probably YMAX, YMAG, MSTY. Probably those be it. Ticker HRZN, Horizon Technology, 11 cent a share a month. I already got my 1,000 shares of this. I'm currently getting over $120 a month in it. But I just dollar cost averaging to it, $3 worth. Keep picking up a couple of fractional shares. It adds up over time. Medifast is a weight loss stock. Might want to stay out of this one. I'm already in it upside down, so I'm dollar cost averaging on in it. All these fractional shares I'm buying at these prices will be getting sold once the market turn green. So right now I'm just accumulating. That's the play I suggest y'all stay out of unless you want to take risk. That is a nice risky swing trade though. Hudson Pacific, I'm riding this stock up. They had good earnings. Lowering my average cost. This gonna go back above the $3 mark, which I'd be taking profit. 2.24 going in, $2.24. Give me 5 shares. Right now I'm at 234.7 shares at $4.85. That's why I upped it from 2 shares a day to 5. You take advantage of this dip. We got land. Land is green today, still trading below the $10 mark. 6% dividend yield. All Gladstone products pay out monthly. Piecing this together, bringing down my average cost. We're gonna go. Land pays out monthly. RYLD. Gladstone Lands, they rent out land to the farmers. So RYLD right now $14.62. You getting like 14 cents a share a month for it. This will buy at the 16 and under mark. I already got my 1,000 shares, but I'm just adding on to it at these prices. All Global X funds pay out monthly. Gonna go QYLD, another Global X fund. All right, back at QYLD. I like this at 17 and under. Hoping this will break that $16 plank. I go and get $10 a day. All right, we're gonna go PFLT. Let me stay in my list order so I don't forget no stocks. This 10 cent a share a month. This gonna go back above the $11 range. I buy this at 11 and under. I'm at 11.18 with 100 shares. Finally got my 100 shares. I'm gonna go ticker ORC. Pays out 12 cents a share a month. This will buy at $8 and under. Already got my 1,000 shares, so just get me $3 worth. Piecing it all together, just adding on to it slowly. All right, this is a play y'all might want to stay out of. This ChargePoint does the charging stations for the EVs. Accumulation time, something I plan on holding to 2027. I get 5 shares of this every day because it's cheap. Right now, 0.60. All right, gonna go to another Global X monthly paying stock, XYLD. If y'all want cash flow, this the plays you need to be in. This will buy at $40 and under. Switch it back to dollars. $5 worth for that. It's a buy and hold play. OXSQ. I think I'm gonna fix my own portfolio to go with the RYLD, XYLD, QYLD, SDIV. I like those Global X funds. They safer. They are ETF, so you don't worry about dividend cuts. They're gonna pay out according to the price. OXSQ, 3.5 cents a share a month. What is that? 246. I want to see. Yeah. Going in at 246. I got buy orders for 244 too. Riding all the way down to like 228 is 52 low. I get 10 shares of this a day. Get my 1,000 shares in this, taking advantage under the 250 mark. See, I got 827 shares. The average cost of $2.58. Dividend yield 17.07%. Market cap 1.76 million. 52-week high 328 with a low of 228. As I'm expecting this to go back above the $3 mark. I usually take profit on this about 323, 327, 323, 325. I scalp profits, leave the rest for the dividend. All right, gonna go OPI. It's got down to 25 cents today. This is a REIT. Y'all might want to stay out of this one. It's risky. There's other places to put your money. Buy limit order. Definitely buying this dip here. Even if they do a reverse stock split to save the stock, I want to be in at a good price. Need to come on down. Once I get out of that play, I'm not going to end it again. We're going to go ARR, pays 24 cents a share a month. This definitely about the 18 and under, 19 and under price. Back to dollars, fractional sharing it up. I'm going to go with RC, Ready Capital, BDC. They had bad earnings. So definitely getting this stock at a discount. Double-digit yielder. $3 worth of that. Let's go check out Fiat. Another YieldMax ETF pays out monthly. Fiat is the inverse of Coinbase. When Coinbase is up, Fiat going to be down. When Coinbase is down, Fiat going to be up. Like you see today, right now it's green. On yesterday, you could have got Fiat for $6.62. But right now it's green. I'm still down in it. I'm getting $2 worth. But with Fiat, I just dollar cost average onto it. I never load up on it. I learned from loading up on it because it's volatile. So when it's in your buy range, just add you $2, $3, $5 and keep it moving. All right, we're gonna go DEA. It's another REIT. They rent out buildings to the government. It's at 2012. There's 52-week low. Got a high of $36.31. Dividend yield 13.08. So I'm breaking my average cost down in this one. All right, going in, gonna get $10 worth. That's a half a share. Lower my average cost while it's down. Remember, the interest rates are high, so the REITs, BDCs, and the financial sector are getting it handed to. So a lot of stuff not gonna benefit until these interest rates come on down. So take advantage of it. Let's see what SVOL at, man. It's 27 cents a share a month. Yep, down a day. Yeah, some SVOL on. Dollar cost average down into it. Just gonna go back past the $17 mark. GMRE, Global Medical REIT. Another healthcare REIT. Nice dividend yield, 684. I'm at 993 average cost. 52-week high, 1046 with a low of 675. 12.1% dividend yield. All right, I'm going with Ingles, INGLES. This is a play to stay out of. This is a grocery stock. If I was you, I'd go to Costco, Walmart, even a Kroger's, Target. Before this one, I'm coming out of this play anyway. I'm just lowering my average cost. So when it does shoot up past that $70 mark, I'm taking my money and running. PSEC had a buy order that did go off. This should be in the 350 range. We're going to go in at 352. This paid 4.5 cents a share a month dividend. Start getting 3 shares of this a day. I need to lower my average cost with PSEC. I got 2 positions of this stock. Actually, I might have 3 or 4 to be honest, but I'm about to trim down. I'm going to just keep 1. I got them in my Webull too. ULTY. This pays out weekly. Down to day 597. Go back to dollars. I ain't gonna out. If you can do it, I can afford it, but I'm just trimming on down. You can get you $1 there. This at the daily low, or just get you $5 worth, especially because it's trading cheap now. Especially you can catch around that $5, $50 range. If it ever pull back that lower again, I already got a buy order in for 100 shares. I'm thinking about going and grabbing me 1,000 shares at it. Going to spend that five grand, 5,500. And 1,000 shares, they pay the minimum 8 cents a share a week. That'll give me $80 a week. And just reinvest the dividends, $5 with $5 a day. That'd be $25 a week. I got 80 a week coming in, and just keep spend the rest, invest the rest towards another stock. Got Spit. This pays usually 33 cents a share, but it's down. Now it's doing like 29 or 30, 32. But this definitely a nice one to have. Also pays out monthly. I'm at 1882 with 74.8 shares. It got a dividend yield of like 20%. BGS Foods. This one been having bad earnings, been down and cheap. So dollar cost averaging down in this one. $2 to $3 a day. That's one I probably stay out of too. All right, let's go check out traps, man. See what else. Like you see, the market is not back bearish. Broke the trend line, so the day is a red day. Gonna be considered that. Gonna have to hand it over to the bears today. All right, AGNCs, we got that international paper. I done scalped profits on that once. That's probably a play I'm gonna get out of too. Right now I'm just focused on cash flow. I can put that in like a RYLD or XYLD and just get the dividends. Don't have to worry about selling it. Granite Point Mortgage is a REIT getting beat up. If you out of this one, stay out of it. I'm in it and need to come down. But y'all can just learn my trading my strategy. 2.10, get 5 shares. Why am I doing this? I'm going to tell you why. All right, I got 158 shares at $3.07. This got a 52-week high of 386 with a low of 161. I need to get in, get my average cost down to about $3.07. I'm good once it start to go up. But this one I will be swing trading and getting out of. No, I'm not scalping profits. I'm selling the whole position, take my money and running. And I can put that in a AGNC, another REIT that I like more, or put it in a higher yielding paying ETF, or put in ULTY that pays out weekly. We got Nike. This another one I am going to get out of. I'm done with the apparel and shoes and stuff. The market got too much competition for Nike. Nike's still good, but it don't hold the same weight as it did hold in the last 10 to 20 years. So I'm going to get out of that. Also, RPT. This Rhythm, this going to go back above the $2 mark. 52 high 386 with a low 228. Say 280 today. I like to get this round about 250. So I'm going to, I'm at 417, 386, 8.5% yield. I think I'm going to chill on it for now. Let it come on down to me some more. When I just watch and monitor, you got Intel. Notice a chip stock. I like this below the $20 range. So, yeah, it's not bad. I'm going to let it pull back some more. All right. Back. It was at Intel. So, Lionel Basel definitely 1.5. This got almost a 10% yield. Why am I buying this? 56.81. I am at, when it comes up, Robinhood like playing these games. Let's stay right here. Market cap 18.3 billion. 52-week high 103.02 with a low of 51.11. Dividend yield 9.37%. 59% say hold. 30% say buy. So I'm definitely gonna be adding some more of this on. I'm gonna get $10 worth to lower my average cost. All right, I got 3.9 shares at 69.15. So bringing that on down. VYM, HNNA, Riverview Bank, RVSB. I got a sell order in at $6.49, taking my money and running. S Bulk and GOGL, about to get some of this. These are dry bulk marine shipping companies. This gonna be a nice swing trade and pay a nice quarterly dividend. GOGL is getting his butt whooped now. You know it's gonna suffer due to tariffs. I like GOGL at $8 and under. Even though I am up in this play, I'm buying at 753. My average call is 712. I'm just accumulating because I know when this take off, everything gonna be all good. AFCG, another REIT. This is a marijuana REIT. They rent warehouses out to marijuana growers. This is another one. I'm gonna take my money and run. Like I said, I'm cleaning up my portfolio and running a little leaner as far as on REITs. NLY is one you want to buy. Why? Market cap 11.5 billion. Gotta have that. Dividend yield 13.74. 52-week high 22.11. 52-week low 16.60. So I need to come down in this anyway. This pays a nice quarterly dividend. I think it's 60 cents a share a quarter. So that's like 20 cents a share a month. 15% yield. Two Harbors is another REIT I need to come down in. 1.23 billion, 52-week high, 1482, a low 1016. Like I say, all these REITs gonna skyrocket once these interest rates start getting cut. BKH. This one I'm about to sell just to take my money and run. I ain't got but so much money in it. I can put that at another play. Taking that position, sell all, get out of that. That's a buy and hold stock though, but I can get a high yield with RYLD or something. NYMT, New York Mortgage Trust. Another one I'm about to get out of. $587 million market cap, 52-week high, 711 with a low. 502, 12.16% yield. It's at 650. I'm at 889. So piecing this together, ride it on down while it's low, go and accumulate that. Coney down 2.48%. Pays out monthly. Man, Coney was the stock, man, before, man. Like, these yield maxes got beat up. I used to load up on them. That's one thing I learned. Don't do that no more. Just piece it down together so you can stay around that average cost. I got Walmart down today. I got that on the dollar and day recurring investments. MSTY is down. I'm at $21.95. It's at $23.34. Probably not gonna see this stock cheap anymore, being that Bitcoin is at $102,000 now. You just buy this and hold it, keep it for the dividend. Shamera Investments is another REIT. I'm at 1581, $1.2 billion market cap, 52-week high, 1689, low 985, 11.4% dividend yield. So if you want to bring your average calls down with these REITs, it's the time right now to do it. All right, we got our SPIT, IWMY, Wendy's, XDTEs, all them down today. SCHG. What's getting beat up though? We got SVOL. We can go check out some QDTE and XDTE. They not down today though. Still in buy range. These pay out weekly. So this something you just dollar cost averaging these. These pay out weekly. These riding back up, but I'm just show you my position. 32.37. I'm at 36.54. So that was QDT, XDT 41.82. I'm at 46. So come on down. GOOY been getting handled too. This pay out monthly. Does options on Google. Just buy the ETF and hold it, and it pays the dividends every month. You ain't got to do no trading with it. And that's it, man. Signing off. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Stay safe out there. Go get your money.